Hey there! Welcome to this guided meditation to assist you in identifying and committing to mood improving activities. Behavioral activation is a therapeutic approach focused on encouraging individuals to engage in meaningful and positive activities to improve their mood and overall well-being. By identifying and participating in activities aligned with your personal values and goals, you can break the cycle of avoidance and withdrawal often associated with depression or other mental health challenges. Find a comfortable position, sitting with a straight spine and relaxed shoulders. Close your eyes gently if that feels comfortable to you. Otherwise, use a soft gaze. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. As you settle into this moment, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm, the rise and fall of your chest, the expansion and contraction of your abdomen. Allow your breath to anchor you in the present moment. Now, turn your awareness inward. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort in your body. With each breath, invite relaxation into these areas, allowing any tightness to melt away. Feel a sense of ease spreading through your body. And if tension remains, that's okay. Visualize a serene place in your mind, a tranquil sanctuary where you feel completely at peace. It could be a natural setting, a comforting room, or any place that resonates with calmness. Engage your senses and immerse yourself in all the aspects of this tranquil mental space. Now, let's briefly explore behavioral activation. Envision a list of activities that bring you joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Picture these activities as a colorful array before you, each one representing a positive step toward a more meaningful life. Choose one activity from the array. It can be a simple pleasure or a more significant pursuit. Visualize yourself actively engaging in this chosen activity with enthusiasm and positivity. Feel the joy and satisfaction that arise from participating in this positive, self-caring behavior. As you breathe deeply, set an intention to incorporate this chosen activity into your day. Commit to taking this step toward behavioral activation, recognizing the positive impact it can have on your well-being. And now, gently return again to your breath. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, visualize the positive energy from your chosen activity spreading throughout your body and mind. Gently open your eyes and carry this sense of fulfillment with you into the rest of your day. Feel free to return to this meditation anytime you feel the need for activation of positive behaviors. Bye for now.